One writing option for the unit Things of Value is to write a short story. Now we've been talking about short stories all along, so you're pretty familiar with the structure. You have to think about the setting, the characters, the plot, the theme, the point of view, the conflict. There's a lot contained in a short story. We have examined the plot pyramid several times over the course of the past month, so you should be pretty familiar with all of the parts that are necessary. Short stories, though, can be really short, a page, or quite long, depending on how complicated your story is. For this exercise, I'm going to ask you to restrict yourself to one page, which I know for some of you is going to be very, very difficult. There are shorter forms of a short story that would help you to keep yourself within those parameters, and those are: you could write a tall tale, you could write a fable, or you could write a myth. And the definitions for those three types of short stories will be on the website for you to look up. Make sure you have dialogue in your short story. Again, dialogue drives the story, it helps keep the reader interested, and most of you have said over the years that stories that don't have any dialogue really aren't that interesting to follow along with, because you don't have insight into what the characters are saying to each other and how they're interacting. There is a short story planning page on the website. It's a plot pyramid. There will be some pieces that you can fill out and some pieces that are kind of unfamiliar to you. So leave those blank for now, and when you come into class, we'll fill those out together. But make sure that you fill in as much as you can, and you have to really think about your story from beginning to end. Maybe create your character first, and what is that person's motivation, and what are they going to do during the course of this short story. Good luck.